Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell button so that you will be updated to my future uploads. So in this tutorial, I will teach you how to play Blessed Be Your Name. This song was sung by Matt Redmann, and the chords that we will going to use are G, D suspended, E minor 7, and then C add 9. Again, G, D suspended, E minor 7, and then C add 9. And the strumming pattern that we will going to use is down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. But we will play it much faster than that, so like this. As you can see, we will use capo at the 4th fret of our guitar. But if you don't have capo, you can play it without the capo. But in this tutorial, we will use capo at the 4th fret. But before we teach it, we will have to play the song first. You pour out, I'll turn back to pray. When the darkness closes in, Lord, still I will stand. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be the name. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Blessed be your glorious name. So the chords in the intro are G, D suspended, E minor 7, and then C add 9. So we will play it 2 times. And then into the verse. So in the verse, G, blessed be your D suspended name. In the E minor, the land that is plentiful, C add 9. And then back to G, plentiful, back to G, where streams are, and then D suspended, abundance flow, and then C, blessed be your name. Back again to G, blessed be your name, D suspended, when I'm found, E minor 7, in the desert place, though I walk through the wilderness, D suspended, and then C, blessed be your name. And then after that, we will go to the pre-chorus. At the pre-chorus, blessed be your name. And then G, every blessing, D suspended, you out, E minor 7, turn back to C, C add 9, C, G, when the then at the end of the pre-chorus, still I will say, we'll play many downs. Still I will say. So after in the pre-chorus, we will go to G, or in the chorus, I mean. So still I will say, blessed be the name G of the Lord, D suspended, and then E minor 7. Blessed be your C add 9 name, and remain in C add 9. Blessed be the G name of the Lord, D suspended, then E minor 7. Blessed be your name. And then after that, we will go to verse 2. After the verse 2, we will go to the bridge. So in the bridge, the same chords and same strumming pattern like this. Blessed be your glorious name. You give and take away. You give and take away. My heart will choose to say, blessed be your name. We will do it 2 times, the bridge. You give and take away. You give and take away. My heart will choose to say, blessed be your name. And after that, back again to the pre-chorus. In the pre-chorus, let's my heart will choose to say, blessed be your name. Down, every blessing down you pour out, turn back to pray. When the darkness closes in, Lord, still I will sing, blessed be the name of the Lord. And then that's the song, and it's in the chorus. So thank you for watching, guys, in this tutorial, Blessed Be Your Name by Matt Redmann. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it, and comment. And then if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell button. So see you on the next video.